As a large truck tries to destroy a large massive electricity wire. The electricity wires were almost about to get hit by a bunch of these trucks. The truck almost tries to destroy the electric wires. Many trucks have been onto traffic jam. Many RGGES students are now having a, conversational attacking. Strange. But hopefully the entire Barangay 197 advisor and captain Kuya Cap Anderson. Wow.